Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Colmar Manor, local and long distance movers near me. Going overseas is difficult for everyone, especially when you don't have any friends, families, or relatives there. 3 Movers in Colmar Manor ensures that all your new home, apartment, or offices are set up for you. Our team brings all the necessary material to your old place to pack everything up and then carefully transports it to your new location. In between the transit, if any damage happens to your items, we will compensate the loss immediately. Our company is insured, so your possessions are safe with us. You can speak to our team members at any point without any hindrance during the shifting phase. Let us schedule your long-distance moving plans. Even if you're shifting to the home next door, taking shifting beds, sofas, dining, and delicate cutleries are not easy. There are high chances that you can break them up on your own. Hiring professionals who know the ins and outs of transporting goods is necessary. The 3 Movers in Colmar Manor ensures that your possessions reach timely and safely to the new assigned location. We will help you with packing and setting up to your new home, and we also provide storage facilities to our customers. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Colmar Manor moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.